Good morning and welcome to another totally tubular Tuesday here at Chino Hill State Park. I'm here in our visitor center at the Discovery Center so I can bring our crafts to you in your home. Today's craft is lizards. So we have a whole bunch of lizards in the park. So we have side-botched, we have southern alligator lizards, we have whiptails. But today's exclusive lizard is going to be the Discovery Center tube lizard. So to start, you are going to need one paper towel tube, a glue stick, scissors, and a piece of cardstock or construction paper. So we are going to start by cutting off part of our tube. So you're going to want to cut off about 2 inches of your tube. There we go. And this smaller part is going to become our legs. So you're going to want to cut that in half again as well. So let's start with the body. So to make the tail, we're going to cut at a diagonal on one end, so cutting off a full triangle to make the tail. And then for the mouth, you're going to want to cut a V. There we go. So you have your tail and you have your mouth. So now that those are both done, you can set your lizard to the side. And out of our construction paper, or our cardstock, we are going to be cutting out a tongue. So you can make your tongue as long as you want. I want my lizard to have a super long tongue. Let's just round that out a little bit more. And there we have our tongue. So now we get to assemble our lizard. So the 2 pieces that you have for the legs, you're going to want to cut those open and then lie them flat. Next, you're going to take your tongue and your glue stick and you're going to add just a little bit of glue to the flat end so that you can put it inside the lizard's mouth, like so. Whoops. Maybe a little more glue to help it stick a little bit better. So now that you have your body with your tongue in the mouth, the next step is adding the legs. So to add the legs, you're going to put some glue in the center of each of your leg cutouts. And then you're simply going to attach your lizard body on top like this. So simple, easy tube lizard. Blah. So the next step and final step is picking out your design for your lizard. So we're not going to do a design. You can see we have one design here, but this is where you break out your markers, your pencils, your crayons, and add whatever colors you want to your lizard. The only thing you should not forget is your eyes. And then 2 little slits for your nostril. And there you have it. Your beautiful, exclusive Discovery Center tube lizard. We hope you all enjoy this craft, and Be sure to like our Facebook page for more totally Tubular Tuesday crafts, and tune in next week as we figure out what tube craft we can do next. So we hope you enjoy this craft, and we hope you share your craft with us in the comments below. Thank you so much, and enjoy your wonderful rainy or sunny Tuesday.